Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can boost the volume on your Lenovo LOQ. So first of all, you get an app with your laptop that's called the Lenovo Vantage. For that, you just simply need to go to the very bottom of your taskbar in the right hand side. You will see, in the hidden icons section, you'll see this logo of the Lenovo LOQ, or you can simply click on the battery, and here as well you'll see the Lenovo LOQ logo is there. Okay, so simply you're just supposed to click on this icon Lenovo LOQ, and this mini bar opens up. Now you just gotta go to Lenovo Vantage. Just click on that, and it takes a while. It takes just like 2 to 3 seconds, and this menu, this whole Lenovo LOQ window opens up. Now in this Lenovo LOQ window, you're simply supposed to go to System Tools, and in System Tools you have this section called Nahimic. Simply gonna click on it, and this window opens up. This is basically the Nahimic window where you can optimize your sound and boost your volume of the device. Now here in the Nahimic section, you will see some tabs like there is music, there's movie, communication, gaming, smart. So let's say you're watching a movie. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go to movie, and you can turn on surround sound. Say if you're using external speakers, home theater and stuff like that, so you can turn on surround sound. But I simply keep it off because it like inhibits the sound from becoming loud, very loud. Okay, so you just simply, for now I'm going to reset this. Okay, it's reset. Now what you can do is you simply go to this equalizer, and you can manually tune all these all these frequencies, but that's like complicated. So you can simply go here, and here you can select whatever you want to prioritize. Say if I'm watching a movie and I want to prioritize the dialogues, I'm simply going to click on dialogues, and this just sets itself to the best values. Now I'm simply going to turn this off, and you can see the volume here, the volume knob is at max. So let us try this out. First we are gonna turn off the effects. Right now the effects are off. Okay, and as I told you, the volume is full, and okay, just a second. Yeah, and the effects are off. Now let's see what it sounds like.
Warning. Warning.
What's going on? What's going on, volume?
Please return to the ship.
No!
Now what you were hearing was the audio, the maximum audio without the effects on. Now let us turn off the turn on the effects. Now since we have turned on the effects, let us go ahead and listen to what it sounds like now.
Warning. Warning.
What's going on? What's going on, volume?
Please return to the ship.
No!
So as you heard, with the effects turned on, the the volume was much louder. Now you can go ahead further and make it even louder by, say, you turn off surround sound, and say you turn off volume stabilizer. Sometimes turning on volume stabilizer helps to enhance the volume even more, but now since that we have turned off surround sound, let's just hear it once more.
Warning. Warning.
What's going on?
Brace for impact.
What's going on, volume?
Please return to the ship.
No!
So I think it sounded even louder when surround sound was turned on. Now here's this this section of voices. So if you turn this off, it is gonna make it even louder.
Warning. Warning.
What's going on?
Brace for impact.
What's going on, volume?
Please return to the ship.
No!
So like you saw, you can tweak all these sections and make the audio suit to your needs. Now if we like go to music, so in music I personally prefer to keep these settings at the default value, and I simply go to the equalizer and I select say vocals, because I like vocals more than the music. So I simply select vocals, and now say once the effects are turned off, you can listen to the audio. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the effects. Let us listen to it once more. So there you clearly notice the difference in terms of loudness. With the effects turned on, the audio, the volume is much louder. Now let us play it, and we're gonna turn off the effect and turn it on while the audio is still playing. So this is gonna be, we're gonna start with the effects turned off, then in between I'm gonna turn on the effects and then turn off again, so you can notice the difference very clearly. So since you notice the difference for yourself, you can clearly see that the Lenovo Vantage app, enhances your speaker volume very well. So I hope you guys were able to understand how you can simply boost your speaker volume on the Lenovo LOQ. This was all for the video, guys. If you have any doubts regarding the same, you can simply drop your comments in the comment section, and if you want more videos about the Lenovo LOQ and more optimization videos about the Lenovo LOQ or anything PC related, you can simply go ahead and drop your comments, and I'll go ahead and make a video or answer your questions right there. Thanks for watching, guys, and do subscribe.